Honor aims its devices at a youthful, fun-loving market, which might explain some of the sound features the 7A comes with. One is karaoke mode, which offers real-time audio monitoring through your earbuds and supports SWS 3.1 virtual bass, allowing you to replicate the recording studio experience and hear your own voice while recording your singing. This is niche, but perhaps less so in some markets. The second feature is party mode, which lets you connect up to 8 Honor 7A handsets and play the same music across all of them. In theory, this is cool. In practice, good luck finding anyone at the party who also has an Honor phone, let alone a 7A specifically. Party mode is a great idea for a cross-platform service. Maybe I go to the wrong sort of parties, but even finding someone with an Android can be tricky. So it'd need to include iOS, but we can't see many people getting much use out of it on the Honor 7A. It's a slightly curious decision to focus on surround sound on this handset, because it's only been given one speaker, so you'd need 2 of them to even get decent stereo. There are 2 sets of 6 holes on the bottom edge of the Honor 7A, but only one side houses a speaker. That said, it does a better job than we expected for the price. Music sounds decently well-rounded and goes uncomfortably loud, albeit with the usual back panel rattling and distortion at the highest volumes. It's not amazing, but it's better than some more expensive phones we've heard. Another, slightly handier feature is the ability to connect to 2 Bluetooth devices at once. Honor says this is helpful for listening to music while making hands-free calls, but we could also see ourselves using it to connect to wearables while streaming music to a speaker, for instance. The 18:9 display is ideally suited to watching films, and while obviously they won't look as stunning as on a higher-end, or even Full HD, handset, they look perfectly sharp and watchable on the Honor 7A screen. However, you're not going to fit many on the phone's paltry 16 GB of internal storage, which had just 5 GB left out of the box. So you're going to want to take advantage of the microSD card slot, which can increase space by up to 256 GB.